The presence of joint pain can have a profound impact on your everyday activities, limiting your ability to carry out daily activities with ease. Whether it is due to aging, exercise-related injuries, or chronic conditions like arthritis, finding relief is crucial. There are many common treatment options for joint pain, including medication and physical therapy. However, incorporating certain nutrients into your diet can also provide significant benefits. In this video, we will discuss the 9 most effective nutrients for treating joint pain and improving joint health. As usual, this information is intended for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice or care. Let's start with number 1. Fish oil. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil help support healthy heart function, improve skin conditions, and enhance mental performance. Fish oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help mitigate inflammatory processes associated with arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, providing relief to individuals suffering from joint pain. A major benefit of fish oil is its ability to support joint health by promoting the production of lubricating fluids in the joints, thereby enhancing mobility and flexibility. Cod liver oil can also help lubricate the joints and prevent pain and swelling. Consuming 1 to 2 teaspoons per day of virgin cod liver oil is the most effective way to provide relief to individuals suffering from joint pain. In comparison to fish oil, cod liver oil contains more vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption and reduces joint inflammation. Alternatively, consuming more seafood, such as wild-caught cod, mackerel, and salmon, which are natural sources of high-quality nutrients for optimal joint health, can also provide relief. Now, let's talk about number 2, collagen. Cartilage, the connective tissue that cushions and promotes joint flexibility, is composed primarily of collagen. Collagen production naturally declines as we age, making joints more susceptible to injury. Joint pain can be managed by incorporating collagen supplements into your daily routine. This supplement contributes to cartilage regeneration as well as reducing friction between bones to ease joint discomfort. Choosing the right type of collagen supplement is crucial. In particular, type 2 collagen, which is derived from chicken cartilage, is beneficial for maintaining joint health. Studies have shown that this type of collagen helps maintain joint function and reduces osteoarthritis symptoms. Adding collagen-rich foods into your diet, such as bone broth, fish, and lean meats, can complement collagen supplementation and provide a holistic approach to joint health. Moving on to number 3, vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties, but it also supports joint health. In the synthesis of collagen, ascorbic acid, the active form of vitamin C, is crucial. Therefore, it's important to include excellent sources of vitamin C in one's diet, such as black currants, sauerkraut, acerola cherries, raw leafy greens, and citrus fruits. A whole fruit powder, such as acerola cherry, camu, or rose hips, can provide the full vitamin C complex. You can add a teaspoon or 2 of the fruit powder to your morning smoothies or fresh juices. Let's move on to number 4. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 4,000 years, often referred to as Indian saffron. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which helps reduce inflammation and swelling in joint tissue. A primary cause of joint pain is inflammation, and curcumin works by inhibiting multiple inflammatory pathways, thereby alleviating pain and discomfort associated with arthritis. The ability of curcumin to inhibit inflammatory enzymes and block signaling molecules makes it a promising natural alternative to treat joint-related disorders. Turmeric has poor bioavailability, which means that most of what is consumed is not absorbed into the bloodstream and is rapidly processed and eliminated. However, black pepper contains piperine, a compound that has been shown to increase curcumin's bioavailability by 2,000%. You can take turmeric every day up to 2,000 milligrams. 5. Vitamin D. Another extremely important nutrient for the joints is vitamin D. Bones and joints need vitamin D to stay healthy. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is critical to bone health, as well as reduce joint inflammation. A diet rich in vitamin D-rich foods, such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and eggs, can also relieve joint pain. There are billions of people around the world who are vitamin D deficient, which can weaken their joints and make them more susceptible to fractures and bending. Sunlight is the primary natural source of vitamin D, but factors such as geographic location, season, and skin pigmentation can impact synthesis. 6. Vitamin K2. While vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, vitamin K2 is the conductor that directs calcium to where it is needed and prevents its deposition in the wrong places. One of vitamin K2's critical functions is to activate proteins that regulate calcium, ensuring its incorporation into bones and teeth while preventing its accumulation in arteries and soft tissues. This meticulous orchestration of calcium metabolism is pivotal in preventing joint pain and maintaining overall cardiovascular health. Vitamin K2 is found in fermented foods such as natto, cheese, and sauerkraut. However, the Western diet is often deficient in these sources, making supplementation a practical option. 7. Ginger. A root spice renowned for its distinct flavor and aroma, is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It contains gingerol, a compound that reduces inflammation and eases joint pain. Additionally, research has also shown the effectiveness of topical ginger as creams or oils for localized joint pain relief. Whether you prefer a soothing cup of ginger tea, a spicy addition to your meals, or a helpful supplement, ginger can easily fit into your daily routine. Brew a cup of ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in steaming hot water. For a more concentrated dose, ginger supplements are available in various forms such as capsules, powders, or extracts. 8. Magnesium. The mineral magnesium, often referred to as the relaxation mineral, plays a crucial role in the function of muscles and nerves. It helps relax muscles, which relieves joint stiffness and pain. Magnesium-rich foods such as dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains should be included in a joint-friendly diet. Topical magnesium oil or magnesium baths can also provide localized relief. 9. Calcium. Is widely recognized for its role in maintaining bone health. Adequate calcium intake is crucial for strong and healthy joints, as it helps maintain bone density and support overall joint function. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant-based milk alternatives are excellent dietary sources of calcium. However, it's important to note that calcium absorption is enhanced when paired with vitamin D, as I have already mentioned. Now that you know some of the key nutrients needed to alleviate joint pain, here are some general tips to alleviate joint pain. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. You may feel strain on your joints, especially in weight-bearing areas like your knees and hips, if you are overweight or obese. Maintaining a healthy weight can alleviate pain. 2. Hot and cold therapy. Using heat or cold on the affected joint can relieve pain and inflammation. In general, cold packs are preferred for acute injuries, while heat packs provide soothing relief for chronic conditions. 4. Proper posture. Try to keep your spine aligned and your joints in a neutral position whether you are sitting or standing to avoid unnecessary joint stress. 5. Manage stress. Stress can exacerbate pain. Consider incorporating stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine, such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness. Foods to avoid to prevent joint pain. Omega-6 fatty acids. Although omega-6 fatty acids are essential for the body, an imbalance between omega-6 fatty acids and omega-3 fatty acids can cause inflammation. Eat fatty fish, flax seeds, and chia seeds instead of vegetable oils such as corn, sunflower, and soybean oil. Trans fats. Several foods, such as packaged snacks, fried foods, and certain baked goods, are often high in trans fats, which can contribute to inflammation and joint pain. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey today. I hope you found these tips valuable and that they add positively to your well-being. Your support is truly appreciated, and I eagerly anticipate having you with me in the next video.